Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Money Rain. Welcome and welcome and welcome to this video. My name is Queen Olive. This is my welcome video. First time on YouTube. First time. Today is let me see. I want to see the time. I want to know this time. I want to see this time. Let me see this time. Sorry, I want to see this time. Today is this is 22nd 11:59 22nd of August 2020. I'm presenting to you Money Rain. And Money Rain is a platform where I am going to be single-handedly teach you how to make a lot of money through the crypto space, cryptocurrency. We are talking about Ethereum, we are talking about Tron, we are talking about Bitcoin, we are talking about so many cryptocurrency. And this platform is going to prevent you from losing money, because people lose money because of lack of information, lack of knowledge. This is the reason why I formed and I started this YouTube channel, just to help you and make sure that I'll give you the truth, what you should do and what you should not do. Please, if you want to know more about this channel, okay, if you want me to be encouraged, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, okay. I promise you the subscription is free, okay, liking is free, okay, you don't need to pay any money, sharing is also free, okay, putting a thumbs up is also free. I don't want to be begging, okay, just don't come and watch the video and you leave, okay. I want to teach you. If you are in Africa, if you are in Nigeria, especially this Nigeria, if you are in this country, the way it is like this now, if you are in this country and you did not follow this video, you did not follow my YouTube channel, you did not like it, you did not share it, I don't know what you are going to do. You know why? Because you are going to miss a lot. Please turn on notification quickly. You are going to miss a lot. My name is Queen Olive. Once again, I'm going to be taking you on a journey on how to make money. See, free money, okay, with little problem, and you are going to make so much money in crypto space. No more people scamming you, no more people duping you. I've been into crypto space, cryptocurrency business. I've been into Bitcoin, I've been into Ethereum, I've been trading on Tron, I've been trading on XRP, Stellar for many years, more than 8 years. It has been silently done, okay, but I feel that I should come up, I should come out and let Nigerians know about cryptocurrency, that you are losing, you are missing. You're missing a lot if you are not having any idea. In fact, forget about idea, because all those, I'm not talking about they call it is it forest trading? No, I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about mining, I'm not talking about trading, I'm not talking about all those things. I'm talking about real business with cryptocurrency, and you're going to use a little or so little and minute money, and you're going to make a lot of money. The only thing I need you to do for me is follow me, listen and take instruction. My name is once again Queen Olive. I'm going to drop my Facebook page, I'm going to drop my Instagram, I'm going to drop my Twitter, I'm going to drop the WhatsApp chat group. Join the WhatsApp chat group and get back to me, bomber to bomber. Follow me, bomber to bomber. You must follow me, bomber to bomber, because I'm going to open up your mind on this. I'm going to make reviews a lot of cryptocurrencies that you can. I'm going to get into the world, okay? I'm going to get into the ends of the world and bring to you the cryptocurrencies platform that you can join and earn effortlessly without being duped. Now money has come. This Money Rain is going to rain money into your wallet, into your pocket. But before I finish this first video, I want to just say something. I hope I'm welcome on YouTube. If you want to, you can drop any message you want to drop. You can call me. I'm going to drop my number after this video. You can call me, you can drop message. All right, now I want to say something, okay? Please, if you don't have a good Android phone, get an Android phone. If you want to make money online, you need a good Android phone. Okay, I'm gonna, on my next video, I'm gonna tell you why you need a good Android phone. In fact, if you don't have a laptop, or it's either you have a good Android phone or a laptop. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Now money has come. I came this evening to give you hope. You that does not have hope, that you that have been thinking, what can you put your hand, what can you use your small money to do? Hope has come. I'm going to give you a lot of hope, and not just a fake and vague hope. I'm going to give you a complete hope that can be known and can be seen in this reality, okay, in real world. Okay, please, I'm so happy that you're able to stop by to listen to this little video of mine. On my next video, I'm going to be dropping video on daily basis. I promise you. On my next video, I'm going to make video on Tron smart contract. There's a currency, is on number 15th of the cryptocurrency space. Is a cryptocurrency, is number 15. When you go to CoinMarketCap, you're going to see Tron number 15. It is going to be an explosion, okay, on my next video. If you want to understand, stay tuned. Please click on that notification bell and stay tuned on my next video. Now money has come to you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for liking and sharing this video. Okay, I appreciate you so much. All right, till my next video. Thank you.